All right, welcome to Workplace and Apprenticeship 20. I'm your host, Mrs. Klassen. This is lesson 5. We're going to talk about the surface area and volume of spheres. So very quickly, the surface area and volume of spheres are based only on the radius, because basically a sphere is just a giant ball. So the formula for the surface area is 4 times pi times the radius squared. And the formula for volume is 4/3 pi r cubed, or sometimes we also like to say it 4 pi r cubed and then take our answer and divide it by 3. Okay, so we're going to take a peek at an example here. We're going to find the surface area and volume of this sphere. So my formula for surface area is 4 pi r squared. The radius in this case is, of course, you can see 14 centimeters. So I'm going to substitute that into my formula, 4 times pi times 14 squared. And when I put that into my calculator, it tells me that I have a surface area of 2,463.0 centimeters squared. Okay, and then volume. So my volume formula is 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. So 4 times pi times 14 cubed. Take your answer and divide it by 3. And if we put that into our calculator, we end up with 11,494.0 centimeters cubed. Okay, so fairly easy. We're just plugging the number into the formula. Let's look at just one word problem here. It says that a toy manufacturer makes marbles. Each marble has a radius of 8 millimeters. Okay, so basically I have a ball with a radius of 8 millimeters. They are sold in packages of 100. Calculate the volume of 100 marbles. So I'm going to find the volume of one marble, multiply it by 100. So volume is 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. So 4 pi times 8 cubed, and divide that by 3. And then we just punch that into our calculator. Let the calculator do all the work for us. I end up with 2,144.7 millimeters cubed for one marble. So then I'm going to times that by 100 to get me the volume for 100 marbles. And I end up with 214,466.1 millimeters cubed. So just to note, I just left, so at this point here, it was a rounded number. I had just left the big long number before that in my calculator, which is why this one is a little bit different. But yeah, so that is surface area and volume of a sphere. Very easy. So you can go ahead and work on the practice questions now.